Sorry. Decided to hit the stream button just as I had to cough. But today we're working on system edit. We want to be able to edit our systems, and we're going to have to make some authorization in there because we don't want people editing other systems, do we? Right? So let's start by writing some tests. Okay, spec, features. This is going to be star system administration. Nope. Star systems. And it's going to be star system administration. Cool. Now let's start. No. I appreciate that you're being helpful, but like no. Okay. All right, so let user create user. We're going to let Empire create Empire user check. Let star system create star system Empire. What I'm going to do is I do want to add some names to these, so we can be a little more okay. I want to make a note here. First user. Do you want to do this to me? Okay. So then we have a second user, because we want to create two users so they can't access each other's stuff, right? And so this is going to be let other user create user. Cool, let other user, let other Empire, other user. Cool, that looks good. Let me make it a little more clear. Second user and Empire 4. Cool. All right. For do, it's trying to suggest to me a sign-in user, but I don't have a sign-in stuff. We're going to do that manually. Visit login path. Fill in email with user email. Fill in password and not user password, because when we set part of this test, it's going to be with password 123, because that's the password we start our test. Click on and cool. Cool, so that is our stuff before the thing. We're going to do that. And then we're going to set up our test, and it's going to be scenario. User can see administer. Cool. It's going to do this dashboard path within star systems container do expect page to have link administer. It can access the edit page for Lone Star System. Visit dashboard path within Star System's container do. Click on link admit. No. Click on. Nope, not click on, but click link administer match first because I want to click the first administer link. There should be only one anyway. And expect current path to equal edit star system path star system, right? Because that's this star system, and we're going to edit path for that. Expect page to have content Mr. Star System. We want to have that, there on the page, and then expect page to have field. This is going to be name with, we do that, but I want to be super explicit. Office and Tory. Expect page to not have field name with serious, right? It knows what I want to do. Beta Centauri, yeah, I want something that's completely different from Alpha Centauri. Polaris. Cool. And then we're going to do it cannot update star system with a blank name. Cool. That's it. That's all I want. Those are just my tests. All right, so first step, let's make our routes work. Yep. Now we're going to need a Oh, just dropped some stuff. All right, so let's make it the controller now. App controllers, new file. Star systems controller.rb, check. Cool, and no. Before action, authorized star system. I don't need the only edit update because there are only going to be 2 actions in here, so like, what does it matter? So def edit, and edit is going to be star system equals star system dot find params ID. If star system updates star systems params, so if that update works, we direct to not star system, but edit star system path star system. Notice star system successfully updated. Cool. Else render edit, but we also have to do the good old unprocessable entity, and then of course, as that says, we want private method, we update the name, and then we need an authorized star system. Unless star system empire equals current user empire. We're gonna set. Oops. Ugh. You do not have permission to mission star system. Looks good so far. Now we got to create an edit view. It's going to be views, new folder, star systems. And it's going to be edit.html.b. And this is just going to be straight up AI generated. That looks good. All right, so the next step is that now that we have our views file, we need that administer button for each star system. So this will be dashboard index. Right after system loyalty. I'm just going to look that up on my cool. That's what that looks like. All right, looks good. Let's run our tests. Uh-oh. Let's see this one. Star Systems container. Would I call something different? I mean, admittedly, oops. Don't really need it because I don't have a container for it. So let's run that again, see how many I fixed. Okay, we got 2. First. Yep, because I can't spell. Cool, down to 1. Star system administration upstate star system name. This is 44. Click on it can update star system name. What do I have this doing? After update and return there. Yeah. So I guess this is the question. Do I want to return back to the edit page? Yeah, I do. So this will be no. What are you playing with now? Oh no. Cool. That looks like it's just a collision with the random empire. Which we do empire factories. Yeah, what failure did I get? Number 11. Star Systems controller. Yeah. I guess we just random ass collision. I guess we can add a 0 in there, and then You just saw 1 in 1,000 chance of something happening. So we increase the space in the numbers. Yeah, cool. Yeah, let's check it out. So here, administer, series beta. Yeah, series beta. Cool, cool. That is cool. That was, yeah, everything worked fine. Yeah, enjoyed that. That was kind of cool. So like with that done, we've got the structure in place that our next step is that we are going to build buildings, and I think our core gameplay loop's done, right? Like every night, things will increase. Credits, minerals, energy, and food will increase. And we're going to have to add some kind. We're going to add functionality to administer where they can build buildings, and that'll be the next step. And that'll be a pretty big step as we have to figure out like what kind of buildings we want and stuff like that. But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, follow. All the things you can do. Yeah, this has been real fun. I've been really enjoying this, and it's really cool to see this like actually make some kind of progress here. We'll see you next time.